Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an Excel file to a CSV file. This is really useful when you want to transfer data from Excel to other applications like Outlook or Access. First, open your Excel workbook and switch to the sheet you want to convert. Only the active sheet will be saved as a CSV file. Next, go to the File tab and click Save As. You can also press F12 to open the Save As dialog directly. In the Save As dialog, choose the folder where you want to save the file. Then, in the Save As Type dropdown, select either CSV, delimited, or CSV UTF-8. CSV UTF-8 is recommended if your data has special characters. Click Save. Excel will warn you that some features like formatting, formulas, or charts won't be saved in CSV format. That's normal. Just click Yes to continue. And that's it. Your Excel sheet is now saved as a CSV file and ready to be used in other applications. If this tutorial helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips and tricks.